Ever wondered how you can seamlessly connect your task tracking in Jira with your documentation in Confluence? Today, I'll show you exactly how to link Jira tickets to Confluence pages, all in just a few minutes. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to bring your project management and documentation together, making collaboration with your team smoother and saving yourself tons of back and forth. All right, let's dive straight in. First up, head over to Confluence and create a new project. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly is a Confluence project? Basically, it's a space where you can organize your pages, notes, or documentation for your team, or even just for yourself. If you're new to Confluence, don't worry. Creating a project is simple. Just click on the Create button, usually found at the top of the screen, and pick Space or Project, depending on what your company's version calls it. Give it a clear name so you and your team can identify it easily later. Think of this like building the digital binder where you'll keep everything neat and connected. Once your new Confluence project is set up and you're on your new page, this is where the magic happens. You'll want to add a reference to your Jira ticket right inside your documentation. So, click into the body of the page to start editing, just like you would in a Word doc or Google Doc. Now, type a /, that's the UR key. Immediately, a menu will pop up with a bunch of handy shortcuts. In that menu, type Jira. What you're looking for is the option called Jira Issue, or Find Jira Work Items. Depending on your setup, it might be worded slightly differently. The / command is super helpful because it's like a shortcut to all sorts of built-in tools that make Confluence more powerful. Now, select Find Jira Work Items. This is where you link up your ticket. You'll see a search box appear. Just start typing the name or key of the Jira issue you want to link. For example, PROJ123, or whatever your Jira ticket number is. Take a second here if you need to double-check your ticket number. It's easy to mix up if you're juggling a lot of projects. Confluence will automatically pull up matching results based on your search. You should see your ticket show up in the list. Sometimes it might take a second for results to appear, especially if you have a lot of issues in Jira. Don't worry, just give it a moment. Once you spot your ticket, click to select it. You can also check the details, like the ticket summary, to make sure you're picking the right one. It's kind of like making sure you have the right puzzle piece before plugging it in. Now, all you have to do is click Insert, or Insert Results. Your Jira ticket will instantly appear in your Confluence page, usually as a little card or table that displays the ticket's name, key, and current status. This way, anyone reading your documentation can jump straight to the Jira ticket for more detail. It also keeps everyone on the same page, literally, without having to switch back and forth between Confluence and Jira all the time. And that's really all there is to it. You've now linked your Jira ticket to your Confluence page. This small step packs a big punch for team transparency and saves lots of head scratching and lost time when trying to find the right tickets later on. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Jira or Confluence trick you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick, practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.